Hello everyone, welcome back to my new tutorial. We are going to create colored subject on the black and white background, like this. So let's go. Firstly, I'm going to create a new album for our creation. Click on this small plus sign and select create empty album. Type any name you want, I am writing green leaves. The new album is created for us. Now open the folder item and select your image from your disk. I will use these green leaves in my hands. We need to create a copy of this image because we need a black and white version of our selected picture, so click on export button. Rename the newly created image. I am adding a grayscale text to the photo name. In this way I will know that this is a grayscale picture and hit export. The new image have been created but the photo folder is not refreshed yet, so right click on folder name and select synchronize folder. The photo importer is opened and our newly exported image is highlighted. Select import. Our photo folder is now contains two images, so please select all them and import into our album the green leaves, this case. Select the newly exported image with grayscale prefix and go to adjustment mode. Select the black and white coloring. The image colors have been transferred into black and white. Go back to library and select now the color image and open the editor. Add a new photo layer and choose our grayscale photo from Photo Browser panel. Right-click on the newly created layer and add a Reveal All Layer mask. Now select the Erase tool and we'll create a hole on this layer to reveal the color image under this layer. Set the size of the erasure and create a hole. And as you see, the colored image just begins to appear. So now our subject is nicely colored, so the next step is to save the new image. Open the file and select the save as new photo file, type a name for our new art and hit export. Again, open the library. The virtual photo is not necessary because we exported the image. Start synchronizing our folder and choose our art image and import it. Select our folder and move into art image into our new created album. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more and see you in the next video. Bye.